morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Babita Rizal. Oh my god. कति दिन पछि भिडियो बनाइरहेको छु. I know I was lost for I don't know so many days. But yeah, I was a little bit busy with work and adapting the new life and all, and अल्छी पनि भएर लागिरहेको थियो भिडियोहरु बनाउन. Anyway, I'm back again. So today is my day off अनि आज म के गरिरहेको छु. आज म I'm going to beach. There is one beach called Yas Beach, so I'm going there. I'm planning to go with one of my friend, but she's not picking my call, so I don't think she's coming. But anyway, we are going to go. Even एक्लै भए पनि we will go. Maybe we will meet some new people there. Let's see. So I already put on my outfit. Let me show you. So this is my outfit for today. Maybe I will wear this short. I will put this short on also. Let me see. Something simple. I don't want to do too much things today. Anyway, that's good. So this is the outfit for today. Let's do the makeup. Already 1 बजिसक्यो. I don't know कतिखेर पुग्छु म. I'm so hungry. मैले केही खाएको नि छैन. So let's do the makeup quickly. I don't know कुन मेकअप गर कस्तो खालको मेकअप गरौँ आज म. Let's be like tiger. Sunscreen is important. Put your SPF, guys, please. The most important thing is the sunscreen. And please make sure your sunscreen is more than 50 SPF. So, मैले चाहिँ एउटा डिफरेन्ट कुरा गर्न थालेको छु कि आजकल मेरो मेकअप रुटिनमा. मैले चाहिँ यो हल्का फाउन्डेसनमा मोइस्चराइजर मिक्स गरेर लाउन थालेको छु. सो एकदम धेरै ड्राई हुँदैन के, स्किन पनि कति राम्रो देख्छ. Look at this. Oh my god. It's like nice. I like this. Let's do here. Okay. So here. Can you see the difference? मेरो लास्ट पनि झरिसक्यो. ओके, लास्ट मैले I think 2 days ago लगाएको थिएँ, but it's already start to fall. No problem. We're still beautiful. Foundation done. Now let's do some contour. Little bit here. Okay, little bit here. I look funny. Okay, let's blend it. Let's blend. Okay, while I'm doing my makeup, I'm gonna give you a little bit update about my life. So, अहिलेको काम चाहिँ मेरो like is a little bit stressful. And almost like 10 hours, 11 hours को shift हुन्छ मेरो. So I'm all the time tired and sleepy, and I miss my home cooked meals since I'm eating here in my work, at my work nowadays. Like 3 time के meal चाहिँ मैले duty मै खान्छु नि त. So I really miss my own food, like म आफैले बनाउने जुन पनि खानेकुराहरु हुन्थ्यो. I miss that. So I'm planning maybe from next month I will sometime try to cook by myself. Otherwise, यो नयाँ ठाउँ छ प्रायः जसो लाइक सबैजना चिनिसकेका छैन अनि त्यस्तो धेरै क्लोज फ्रेन्डहरू छैन. सो sometimes I feel very lonely. But yeah, I'm trying to make some friends. I'm going out. छुट्टीको दिनमा चाहिँ म ट्राई गर्छु कि म कतै न कतै जाउँ because you have to, you know, you are working whole week. So at least one day you have to go outside, meet some people, have some fun. त्यही हो. जति पनि साथीहरू पनि छ उनीहरूको पनि लाइक सेम डे छुट्टी हुँदैन नि त. माइ गॉड म भूत जस्तो देखिरहेको छु. This is art, guys. This is art. Okay? Don't judge me. So yeah, अहिलेलाई यस्तै नै छ लाइफ. ड्युटी काम ड्युटी घर खायो सुत्यो. And I'm trying to be regular in going to gym as well. किनभने मैले स्टप गरेको थिएँ नि त. एकचोटि स्टप गरेपछि फेरि स्टार्ट गर्न चाहिँ एकदम गाह्रो हुन्छ. But yeah, I'm trying to go regularly these days. Okay. यो हो नि त पारा. See, now he's looking much more better. Much more better. Almost done. This, ouch. This just put some mascara. Mascara now face चाहिँ किन बिग्रिन्छ क्या? I don't know. Face को expression हेर्नु है. Whenever I try to put mascara, मेरो face को expression have changed. Okay. Done. आइब्रो बनाउनै छ है हाम्रो आइब्रो बनाउनै छ. आइब्रोलाई धेरै टाइम लाग्दैन. Let's brush it. आइब्रो पेन्सिलले नै यो गर्छु. मैले नेपालमा हुँदा के कसैको चाहिँ आइब्रोलाई देखेको. I'm not trying to judge, but धेरैजनाको चाहिँ लाइक दे ड्र देयर आइब्रोज अनि यत्तिकै हुन्छ क्या ब्लेन्डै नगरेको पेन्सिलले कोरेको जस्तो. सो प्लिज गाइज, इफ यु ड्र योर आइब्रो प्लिज ब्रश इट एन्ड ब्लेन्ड इट. ओके, अदरवाइज पेन्सिलले ड्र गरेको जस्तो देख्छ. Nice, look at the difference. Okay, so I have already done my makeup. It's too brown today. Anyway, let's just put this one in the middle. मैले TikTok मा देखेको आएको है. Let's try. Let's see. Alka concealer and this. Done it. Oh, nice. I like it. It's good. Good. Okay. This is the makeup look. I don't know why my hair is like this. Let's do the hair now. So finally we are ready. Let's go. We made it. We are here in the base. I'm alone. It's looking good. Let me show you the base. So भयो दुईजना उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ मैले यहीँ आउँदाखेरि भेटेको थिएँ so we had a lot of fun we talked अनि since I don't know swimming so I didn't swim this place is so beautiful like कति राम्रो छ के look at this very 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 beautiful तर मेरो फोटो खिच्नको लागि कोही पनि छैन but it's okay so we are already back अब चाहिँ म खाना खान जाँदैछु मेरो क्याफेटेरियामा आजको दिन राम्रै गयो I met some new people new friends let's eat so खाना पनि खाएँ मैले and I was talking to some of my friends धेरै टाइम बसेँ क्याफेटेरियामा कस्तो राम्रो हावा चलिरहेछ शीतल शीतल चिसो हावा अब चाहिँ म रुममा जान्छु I will take shower I will wash my hair then I will sleep I have work tomorrow oh my god so yeah that's all for today thank you so much for watching the whole video guys and I will try to be more consistent and if you like this video please don't forget to like and comment and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet then please do subscribe I will see you in my next video till then take care bye